Hi friends, this is Sudhindra here from Wealthy Wealthy Workshop. So today we are going to discuss about the markets, like what is Nifty doing, what is Bank Nifty doing. Okay, so let's have a look at the charts. Like if you see the last 1 month, the markets have been slightly bullish on the bullish side. Okay, and we'll have a look at the charts, what the charts are indicating for this particular month, for this next week as well. So we'll have a look at the charts as well. Okay. So let's go into the market straight away. I'll just share the screen. Okay, now let's have a look at Bank Nifty first. Now, if you see the Bank Nifty chart, this is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. And weekly में आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक range shift था. If you can see this point here, there was a range shift. Okay, bullish range shift on the weekly chart. Okay, that was somewhere around the after 7th of June, जो week start हुआ second week में. There was a bullish range shift. So that was a slight indication that banking index will slightly go higher in the coming days. And it did go higher from around 20,000 levels to now it's around to 22,000. तो 2000 पॉइंट ऊपर गया है बैंक निफ्टी in the last about 21 days or more than 3 weeks. ठीक है, so ये आपको small nuggets या nuances जो है, this homework you should do. Like जैसे we do the top down approach every week, तो वैसे every week you need to do this homework. So once you do the complete homework, you'll understand these points, like weekly what the higher time frames are doing. The higher time frame में there was a bullish range shift on the weekly chart. ठीक है, and there was a resistance here near the 20 moving average on the weekly chart. Now this week is still not over. अभी एक दिन बचा है कल के लिए. तो यहाँ पर this candle is still up trading above the 20 moving average. तो यहाँ पे 20 moving average के ऊपर trade कर रहा है. And tomorrow as well, if it closes above this 20 moving average, which I think it will close, and it may go higher tomorrow, the banking index, according to me, it may go higher tomorrow, or we may see a bullish trend in banking index as well for Bank Nifty. तो अभी देखते हैं ये कैंडल 20 मूविंग एवरेज के ऊपर क्लोज हुआ कल, तो नेक्स्ट वीक विल आल्सो बी अ गुड पॉजिटिव इंडिकेशन. ठीक है, so this analysis you should do higher time frames का भी, plus of course top down approach in the lower time frame as well, higher to lower. ठीक है, so this was the weekly chart. और daily chart में देखेंगे तो daily chart में there is a Bollinger Band squeeze. तो squeeze है यहाँ पर. So the daily chart is waiting for a breakout. Okay, so breakout के लिए wait कर रहा है on the daily chart. ठीक है, plus RSI has also crossed 60, so that is a good indication, bullish indication for tomorrow and for the coming week. ठीक है, तो daily chart में squeeze है, तो अगर ये breakout होता है कल, so towards the upside, of course, then the prices will go even higher in the coming days. ठीक है, तो ऐसे आपको analyze करना है weekly time frame, monthly time frame and the daily time frame, then the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame, from higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, because higher time frames higher time frames are giving you the larger picture, major picture, the broader picture of the stock or the market or of Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay, so you have to look at higher time frames whenever you analyze every week, whenever you do the top down approach, or when you analyze the market and the stocks. So you have to do top down approach. तो ये आपको small points, ये अगर आपको clear हो जाते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पे एक weekly bullish range shift था weekly chart में. If you had seen this, suppose if you had known this on 7th of June, then your broader picture would have been key. I have to look to buy the banking stocks. I have to look to buy the Bank Nifty. तो आपको banking stocks, bank Nifty stocks, Bank Nifty index. So you have to be on the bullish side. That was the clear indication. The bullish side पे ही रहना है हमको. So that indication was confirmed and the markets rallied from 2000 points from this bullish range shift. तो अगर आपको ये पता होता, then of course you would have looked to buy the banking index, bank nifty और banking stocks as well. ठीक है, तो ये आपको एक एडिशनल लर्निंग है. दिस इज, आई एम नॉट जस्ट गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन हियर, बट दिस यू कैन नोट डाउन. हायर टाइम फ्रेम में ये स्मॉल स्मॉल नगेट्स जो भी आपको पता है, you have to know these points down. Just don't analyze the stocks and 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart. Analyze the weekly, daily, monthly chart as well. Okay. And now I'll show you one more. Now, if you look at the Ishimoku chart of Bank Nifty on the 1 hour chart, तो weekly chart में हमको क्या दिखा? There was a bullish range shift. Now, on the lower time frame, if you see, there was a clear-cut buy signal on the Ichimoku chart. So Ichimoku is basically a trend-following system. तो वहां पे हमको clearly bullish indication मिला from around these levels, 21,675 odd. ठीक है, और वहां पे हमारा जो TFF का मेथड है वो भी ट्रिगर हुआ in the futures. Okay, TFF is also a trend-following method and Ishimoku is also a trend-following method. But 1 hour chart में Ishimoku gave a buy signal as well. So that again confirms your trend कि higher time frames bullish है, TFF bullish hai, 1 hour chart is bullish. So all the 3 time frames, higher and the lower time frames, are bullish on the charts. So that should give you a clear indication कि you have to look to buy Bank Nifty. ठीक है, और हमने यहाँ पे buy किया था according to TFF. ठीक है, और trend follower strategy. There was a clear cut buy here. ठीक है, so tomorrow it may gap up Bank Nifty. If it gaps up, that won't be surprising because the higher and the lower time frames are synchronizing together and they are indicating a bullish trend. So if it gaps up tomorrow, so don't be surprised कि Bank Nifty 200 point या 300 point gap up हुआ तो. It may gap up. There's a 80% chance it may gap up tomorrow. Okay, so because the charts are telling the higher time frame as well as the lower time frame. Lower time frame में Ishimoku bullish है और daily chart में also Ishimoku अभी bullish नहीं है, but it may come in the daily chart as well. और weekly में हमने देखा bullish range shift है, plus यहाँ पे resistances भी है ऊपर. तो वो अगर यहाँ ऊपर weekly chart में 20 moving average के ऊपर close हो रहा है, if it confirms tomorrow, it closes tomorrow above this 20 MA, then that's a good bullish indication, good signs for the market for Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is how you need to analyze the markets first. Just don't go directly into the stocks and 15-minute and 1 hour. पहले market को analyze करना है so that you get a broader picture. Okay, so let's have a look at Nifty as well. On the weekly chart, monthly chart में एक और indication मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Now if you see this here on the monthly chart, in Bank Nifty we saw a bullish range shift on the weekly chart. और Nifty में हमको range shift दिखा, but on the monthly chart. ठीक है, अभी month तो complete हो गया जून का, but there was a bullish range shift here and उसका confirmation भी हो गया आज. ठीक है, so this is on the bigger time frame, monthly chart, पूरे month का. So this July month has started off well. So because there was a bullish range shift. Okay, so that is even more encouraging sign that it may gap up tomorrow. Okay, because higher time frame, highest time frame monthly is indicating a bullish range shift. So if you know this, you'll certainly look to buy major like 70% of the stock, 70% or 80% of the times you look to buy the stocks or buy Nifty or Bank Nifty rather than shorting the market. Okay, so abhi shorting, if you would have shorted, you won't have made money in Nifty or Bank Nifty. But certainly if you're long, you would have made money. Okay, उससे पहले 3-4 months ago, it was a selling market. Market crashed. If you see this big black candle in the month of March, such a huge gap. So sorry, such a huge candle, big black, markets crashed all around the world. So in this also we made money, but अगर bullish range shift confirm हो गया है, तो we need to quickly change from bearish to bullish. ठीक है, या from bearish to not so bearish. So we need to quickly change. ऐसे we should not be adamant कि मैंने ये analyze किया तो bearish ही होगा अगले महीने या 2 महीने. If the market changes, we have to adapt to the market and we have to change. If the Nifty changes, if the charts change, you change. Okay, if the charts don't change, you don't change, but if the charts tell you to change, you have to change. So ये clear cut indication था, there was a bullish range shift, and today it was confirmed. So that is a good indication for Nifty. It may go higher tomorrow as well on the coming days, and I won't be surprised again for Nifty as well. If it gaps up, it has more than 80% chance Nifty also might gap up tomorrow. Okay, तो ये मंथली चार्ट का, एंड वीकली में देखेंगे आप, तो वीकली में इट इज अबाउट 20 MA मूविंग एवरेज. ठीक है, तो 20 MA के ऊपर है, so that is again a good sign. बैंक निफ्टी अभी 20 MA के ऊपर जा रहा है, बट निफ्टी इट हैज ऑलरेडी क्रॉस 20 MA and it is trading above this. So that's a very good indication. It has crossed 20 MA after almost 4 months. 4 months के बाद क्रॉस हुआ है. यहाँ पे 20 MA के नीचे था somewhere here in the month of Feb, और उसके बाद जून में it has gone above 20 moving average. So that itself is an indication कि मैं bullish हो रहा हूँ. And when it was bearish here, it was below the 20 moving average, और अभी 20 moving average के ऊपर है. तो ये small जो things है, these things you should notice. If you notice and note down these points, so your broader picture will be very good. ठीक है, तो if you haven't started doing this analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty on the higher time frames, so you should start doing it. And small points like 20 moving average, Fibonacci retracement, range shift, RSI, ADX, retracement, Fibonacci, Shimoku, all these points you should consider to get a broader picture. Okay, so that you know the broader picture, bigger picture is bullish or bearish, and then you go into the stocks and banking stocks, Nifty stocks, and then buy accordingly or sell accordingly. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे it is a good sign on the weekly chart already, and daily chart में it is about to open up the squeeze. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे squeeze था, if you notice, तो squeeze जब भी होता है that means it is an indication markets अभी sideways है, या ज़्यादा bullish भी नहीं है, bearish भी नहीं है. But once the squeeze opens up, Japan squeeze opens up, that means the markets are having greater volatility and are about to expand. Bands are about to expand, and we are about to get a good trend. Okay, so we have to be ready. If the trend comes, we have to be ready. It can be a bullish trend or a bearish trend. ऊपर जा सकता है, नीचे जा सकता है, but हमको ready होना है दोनों के लिए. ठीक है, ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. सो दिस एनालिसिस आपको करना है मंथली, वीकली एंड डेली. एंड जैसे मैंने कहा, अगर आप ये स्मॉल पॉइंट्स नोटिस करेंगे रिगार्डिंग रेंज शिफ्ट एंड अदर थिंग्स, दैट विल हेल्प यू टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑफ द बिगर पिक्चर व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, तो ये मैं आपको समझाना चाहता हूँ. RSI इज ऑलरेडी अबाउट 60 ऑन द डेली चार्ट. इफ यू सी 60 पे सपोर्ट भी लिया है यहाँ पर, और फिर ऊपर गया, यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लिया एंड देन इट हैज गॉन अबव. दैट इज आल्सो बुलिश साइन, ऑल्दो द वीकली चार्ट इज स्टिल नॉट अबाउट 60, बट यहाँ पे दिस वाज अ गुड सपोर्ट. ओनली हायर टाइम फ्रेम 60 के ऊपर नहीं है अभी वीकली, बट मंथली में बुलिश रेंज शिफ्ट था, और डेली में यहाँ पे 60 सपोर्ट. सो दैट इज हेल्पिंग द डेली चार्ट टू गो हायर. ओके, सो टुमारो वी माइट गेट अ गैप अप. निफ्टी में गैप अप हो सकता है, बैंक निफ्टी में भी गैप अप हो सकता है. सो डोंट बी सरप्राइज्ड कि गैप अप हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, सॉरी हुआ है. If Nifty में gap up by 50, 60, 70 points, Bank Nifty by 200, 300 points, so don't be surprised कि क्यों हुआ. So this overall picture, top-down approach on the time frames is indicating that. ठीक है, तो इसमें surprise होने की बात नहीं है. And plus हमारा TFF trade तो चल ही रहा है, which is a trend following system. So you just need to focus on the rules and just follow TFF for the rest of your life. You'll still make huge money. ठीक है, but आपको focused रहना है. Because stock market is the only business which gives you unlimited opportunities. तो ये आपको TFF में या इशिमोकू में या बॉलिंजर में RSI में एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी एक साल में. Every day you'll get opportunities, every week, every month आपको unlimited opportunities मिलती है. So this is the only business where we get unlimited opportunities. ठीक है, only business in the world जहाँ पे, जैसे दूसरे बिजनेसेस में क्या है, 100 क्लाइंट्स, 200 क्लाइंट्स, 500 क्लाइंट्स, 1000 क्लाइंट्स होंगे, बट यहाँ पे हजारों अपॉर्चुनिटीज है एवरी डे, एवरी वीक, एवरी मंथ टू मेक good money. ठीक है friends, तो यहाँ पे don't be restricted कि मुझे एक ही opportunity मिलेगी. If you miss that opportunity, next opportunity you will get. Just have to wait, stay focused, and follow the process. Okay, so this is how you need to analyze the markets from higher time frames to lower time frames. That also was a bullish sign. 4 hour देखेंगे थोड़ा और एक नीचे lower time frame, वो भी bullish है, 60 के ऊपर है, ADX strong है, daily में भी ADX starting to rise. So that's a good indication. ठीक है friends? So this is how you need to analyze and stay focused. आपको हर रोज अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, डेली अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, but you have to grab it. ठीक है, and don't be greedy also, don't be fearful also, don't have a FOMO and don't have a FOTA. Like FOTA is fear of taking action. Just take the trade. If the system is telling you Bank Nifty buy करना है in the TFF strategy or any other strategy, just buy. Just follow the process follow करेंगे and तो you will make money. If you don't follow the process, आप इधर उधर think करेंगे, I should remove this stock now, target से पहले remove कर देंगे, या trend चल रहा है, still you remove because of some fear of missing out कि what if the profit goes down. But these thoughts should come out of your mind. Stay focused, follow the process, you will make money. ये जो thoughts है, fear of taking action या fear कि stock नीचे जाएगा, ऊपर जाएगा, सेल किया तो ऊपर जाएगा, बाय किया तो नीचे जाएगा, सो ये फियर आपको हटाना है माइंड से. इट्स ऑल इन द माइंड. रिमेंबर, ट्रेडिंग इज 70% माइंडसेट एंड 30% स्ट्रेटजी. ठीक है, 70% माइंडसेट है, एंड इफ यू मास्टर दिस माइंडसेट, 70% ऑफ द जॉब इज डन, और 30% आपको सिर्फ स्ट्रेटजीज पे फोकस करना है. बट दोनों मिलके माइंडसेट प्लस स्ट्रेटजी इज 100%, देन द रिजल्ट्स विल बी गुड. ठीक है, सो जस्ट डोंट फोकस ऑन द स्ट्रेटजी. अगर आपको लगता है कि सिर्फ स्ट्रेटजी आ गई यू विल मेक मनी, दैट विल नॉट वर्क. दैट्स माय एक्सपीरियंस, एंड ऑल द सक्सेसफुल ट्रेडर्स हैव फोकस्ड ऑन देयर माइंडसेट. ठीक है, माइंडसेट पे भी फोकस करना है जितना आप स्ट्रेटजीज पे फोकस करते हो, एंड माइंडसेट का वेटेज इज मोर 70% एंड 30% इज ओनली स्ट्रेटजी. ठीक है, माइंडसेट पे आपको ज्यादा फोकस करना है. स्ट्रेटजीज यू विल लर्न, स्ट्रैटेजीज सब लर्न करते हैं, बट माइंडसेट पे कोई फोकस नहीं करता. दैट इज व्हाई दे लैग बिहाइंड. सो यू गॉट टू फोकस ऑन द माइंडसेट एंड द स्ट्रैटेजी बोथ. ओके फ्रेंड्स, so I hope not only you learn something out of it, but you apply it practically as well. Just don't no just don't listen, but apply this in your practical day-to-day life as well. Okay friends, thank you so much everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Next week we will see what the markets have done on Friday and what the markets have done this week. So next Monday or Sunday I will have one more session. Thank you so much.